Yes, gang, you already know what it is. This is Once We Are Not The Same, a magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. I'm your boy P5, aka P, you returned so quickly. I thought I just saw you on another video. You did. I'm wearing the same clothes, and this is part 2, Kiss of Death. This is 2 Feet Bare Creps, another episode, swift consecutive videos, just like that. Chop, 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 chop. Let's get into it. Oh, god damn, we drop it like it's hot. We drop it like it's hot. Have you seen this? A white box, Nike box that's white. You know, you see that? Can you see that? It says Nike on it. The camera didn't pick it up, but trust me, it says Nike. Let's take these mother out. Shit, doggy. Let's take these out, huh? Let me just give you a bit of, oh God, Lord. Let me just give you a little bit of love. Take a bit of love for the camera, man. Feast your eyes, people. Feast your eyes on these bad boys. You recognize that. You've seen that before. I just showed you on the other video. Take a look. Look at me. Something, something, something. Okay, Miss Jerry Halliwell, we will not continue with that. Now, as usual, let's start with the right hand side. Now, these are the Kiss of Death 2. If you watched my other video first, then you will realize that those were the Kiss of Death 1 by Clot, MX1 Clot, Kiss of Death, and these were released in good question, 2014 I believe. 2014 I believe. Oh god, why am I even guessing? Hold on, my people. 2013. Okay, not far off. These were released in 2013, and what a beauty they are. Let's get into it. So you have this sort of grey speckled midsole right here, grey and speckled, as you can see, and of course that goes all the way around because equilibrium is a beautiful thing. You then have this sort of greyish green upper, and this upper is made out of, God, what is this material? I should know this, but I'm so sorry. It's not a leather at all. It's like a rubberized material. I forget what the material is called. I've got the worst memory known to man, and yeah, it's just gone. I'll let you know at some point. It will come to me. So yeah, you've got this rubberized upper grey all the way through, and it's just really, really dope. You've got this lovely mesh here, which is a see-through. I'm just gonna take the socks out that I have in here. I've just washed these recently, so they've still got the socks in. If you can see there, that mesh is a see-through. Can you see that? Beautiful. So you have that see-through toe box, so not quite like a see-through on the first pair, but still see-through nonetheless. It's made out of this nice, really tightly woven mesh. Really, really nice. And then once again, you have this rubberized Nike swoosh right there. Very nice. This whole thing is rubberized. Obviously, up here you've got your cloth material, heel tab, really nice. And of course, you've got the Clot logo once again right there, and that goes round in that black embroidered and printed iteration. Really, really dope. You have, if you look there, you have that beautiful green air bubble unit right there. Really, really nice. Comes with green laces, also comes with some turquoise laces, and I believe it came with originally grey laces. Here you have the other laces are like that. I say turquoise, they're more kind of like that colour. So like a sky blue lace bit right there with the matching green. Really, really beautiful. I put on the green because it just makes them pop a little bit more. What else to say? On the tongue, you have this, which I love to see. It says Nike Air Max SP, and that means So it says Nike Air Max 1 O-N-E, not a 1, O-N-E, which I love. And it says SP, which I love because that stands for Special Project. Really, really dope. I queued up for these in 1948. Sorry, at 1948. And for those of you that know, it used to be 1948 in Shoreditch, and then it just became nightclub. But yeah, 1948. I queued up for these, and I think there was only a few pairs. There might have been about 15 pairs, maybe 20 pairs at the max, as far as I remember, at 1948. And I finally got my size. The last time I bloody queued up for a Crep there was for the Air Max 1 Paras, and yeah, the cherry woods, and I was one off, and I spent God knows 20 odd hours, and I didn't end up getting a pair. Really, really sad. But anyway, I got these. I was super gassed. I was happy, and as you can see, I have worn them, and they have been worn, and yeah, they're still in good shape, but I need to get a bit of I don't know, maybe alcohol rub, just to sort of clean off the little stainages that happen there. The problem with these is once it gets stained, I should have cleaned it at the time. Once they get stained, they're kind of, because it's a rubberized material, it's a bit difficult to get off. Anywho, now let me show you the soles on these, because once again we have some beautiful soles. Look, these are yellowed, but can you see? Let me do one by one. Can you see the foot outline right there? See that? Beautiful. Beautiful foot right there. Once again, going along with that acupuncture aesthetic. So if you just get closer, you can see the foot right there, and then little red dot for a pressure point right there. Really, really dope. Really dope, guys. Insoles, beautiful once again. Look at that. Gorgeous. Again, showing you foot bits and so on and so forth. You got the Nike swoosh on there in this really nice green colorway right there, and on the other side you have that. Really, really dope. You have, it comes in this Nike white box, white Nike box, and the colors are neutral gray, obsidian, I never get that right, I always say obsidian, but obsidian, and yeah, I think that's it. Neutral gray, obsidian, GMM, yeah, whatever. That's it. And these are a size 10. And I don't know, are these hyperfuse? These are hyperfuse, I believe. I think that's the material I'm looking for. Hyperfuse. I might be wrong. I should know better, but I don't. So please let me know if I'm correct or wrong. But guys, these are a really dope pair. These are actually, I prefer this pair over the part ones, just because of the colorway, the less see-through toe box. Even though it was the see-through toe box that made me want the other pair, I think these are more functional. Obviously you're not going to wear them on a rainy day, but just look at the shape on that. The shape is beautiful. It's just lovely, beautiful, gorgeous. And yeah, I just love the color scheme. I love a grey crepe because it's just very London, and although these are greyish green, it's still keeping in with that sort of greyish aesthetic. Really, really nice pair, guys. I love this pair. I can't front. I would take this pair over the first pair, but I'm glad that I have both. Also, I did see on Sneaker News that there was supposed to be some new versions of this dropping last year, but that never came through. So I'm wondering if this year they're going to drop them. You never know. We'll find out. A lot of times the designers come up with a lot of these samples, and sometimes they never get released. But that's always good for the sample hunters, of course. Anyway, guys, like I said, great pair. You can see the booty there. Ass. Slight differential, as you can see. One has that tiny Nike swoosh, one has the Clot logo, and one has like a slightly differential version of the Clot logo. Really, really dope, guys. I love this pair. I can't front. Let me know, which pair do you prefer? Do you prefer this pair, or do you prefer, let me pull it out the box, this pair? Like, what's your preference? Like, what do you like? You know, can the camera pick it up? You know, I personally like both pairs, of course. You know, We like both pairs. We crep heads out here. Ideally, when you can do completion, you like, this isn't, I'm not even near completion. There's other versions of clots, Jordans, samples, etc., Nike IDs, but you know, this is a 1 and a 2. A 1-2 hit, you know, a Son and Kane. And yeah, guys, that was a second video done in quick succession, and you already know what it is. If you like, please comment, please subscribe, please share, and yeah, let me know. Hit that like button. And guys, as always, man, this has been another episode of 2 Feet Bare Crep, and I've been your host, P Fire, aka PC. No, I did that. aka I just did a burp. I don't even know what's going on here. Sorry, guys. I'll leave that where it is. And yeah, I'm just gonna say, guys, this has been Once We Are Not the Same, a magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. The end. You guys have been beautiful as always, and please, yeah, man, stay fly, stay dope, and be cool, Eddie. Oh, and I keep forgetting, this is a Sean Wotherspoon Nike hat, of course. Yeah, boom. Peace, gang.